So in this lesson, الدرس الثالث, lesson 3, we have learned if a word has tanween, like baytun. Baytun means a house. In Arabic, we have many different ways to make it definite. One of the ways, adding al before it. So if I add al before baytun, it becomes al baytu. Al baytu. So what happens? This when we add al, so the tanween goes away. So one of the changes happen, the tanween goes away. Here we have tanween. So we have two dhamma, baytun. So when we add al, one of the dhamma goes away. It becomes al baytu. Similarly, qalamun, it becomes al qalamu. Now, why we are doing this in this book? It's the book is amazing book. You'll see. Actually, the author wants to teach you how to make a sentence, right? So his target is this one. So before that, he has to tell you how to make a word definite, right? So qalamun means a pen. Qalamun means a pen, and adding al, it becomes al qalamu. Al qalamu means the pen, the pen. Now he wants to give some information about the pen. So what he says, al qalamu maksurun. Al qalamu maksurun. The pen is broken. He's talking about this pen. Al qalamu maksurun. So this is complete sentence. When we say al qalamu maksurun, the pen is broken. It's a complete sentence. We cannot say qalamun maksurun. Qalamun maksurun we can say, but it's not a full sentence. It's not a complete sentence. So one of the thing here in this lesson we have learned how to make a complete sentence. Al qalamu maksurun. The pen is broken. If I say qalamun maksurun, that is not a full sentence. It will mean a broken pen. Qalamun maksurun means broken pen. Kitabun jamilun, beautiful book. Kitabun jadidun, a new book. But if I say al kitabu jadidun, the book is new, full sentence, right? Similarly, al babu maftuhun, the door is open. If I say babun maftuhun, a open door. Al babu maftuhun, the door is open. So this book, the author will not explain. Initially, he will not explain the grammar, but he will teach you grammar. All the essential grammar will be taught, but without explaining, explicitly mentioning it. Okay. So this thing we have learned. Al waladu jalisun. If you see all these sentences, the first word is having al. Al waladu jalisun. Wal mudarrisu waqifun. Al kitabu jadidun. والقلم قديم الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. All the first this is there are two sentences here, right? الكتاب جديد is one sentence, القلم قديم another sentence. We have added them with wow. الكتاب جديد والقلم قديم. Similarly, الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. So here you can see al kursiyu maksurun. So this thing we have learned. So let us go to the next page where we have left here. This is the last page we have studied. So I'll read it again. An najmu ba'idun. Ba'idun means we know far. An najmu ba'idun. The star is far. Ar rajulu waqifun. The man is standing. As sukkaru hulmun. The sugar is sweet. Hulbun means sweet. At-talibu maridun. At-talibu maridun. The student is sick. Ad-diku jamilun. The rooster is beautiful. Ad-daftaru jadidun. Daftar means notebook. Ad-daftaru jadidun. The notebook is new. At-tajiru ganiyun. Tajir means merchant. Ganiyun means rich. Rich. So at-tajiru ganiyun means the merchant is rich. Ad-dukkanu maftuhun. Dukkan means shop. Ad-dukkanu maftuhun. The shop is open. Al-waladu faqirun. The boy is poor. At-tuffahu ladidun. The apple is delicious. At-tabibu tawilun wal mudarrisu qasirun. At-tabibu, the doctor. At-tabibu tawilun, the doctor is tall. Wal mudarrisu qasirun, and the teacher is short. So let's move to the next page. We have tamarinu. Tamarinu means exercises. So in this exercise, we are expected to read this word, vocalizing the last letter. So each word we have to vocalize the last letter. Al-babu, at-tajiru, al-najmu, al-qamaru, ad-diku, al-ma'u, al-sariru, al-baytu, al-masjidu, al-rajulu, al-sukkaru, al-waraq. The next page we have fill in the blanks, right? So we have to read. Like the second word is given, ganiyun. So what should I put in the first sentence? So the author expects that yeah. So we can say at-tajiru ganiyun. So I can write at-tajiru ganiyun. The merchant is rich. Here, what should I put here?
Shukkaru hulmun.
As-sukkaru hulbun. Sukkar means sugar. As-sukkaru hulbun. Hulbun means sweet. Then maridun is given. What can I put here?
At-talibu maridun.
At-talibu maridun.
Al-waladu maridun.
Al-waladu maridun. Ar-rajulu maridun. Next one.
At-tuffahu lazizun.
At-tuffahu ladidun. The apple is delicious. Next one.
Al-mudarrisu tawilun.
Al-mudarrisu tawilun. The teacher is tall. Next one.
At-tabibu kasirun.
At-tabibu kasirun. The doctor is short. Next, here we have two columns of words, right? So we have to match it. So here, if we match words from one word from this column, alif, and another one if we choose from ba, it will make a complete sentence. So we have to match with a suitable word. Like the first word is given at-talibu. At-talibu. Which one should I put?
Maridun.
Maridun. At-talibu maridun. At-talibu maridun. The student is sick. Next we have ad-dukkanu. Ad-dukkanu means shop. Dukkan means shop. Ad-dukkanu maftuhun. Ad-dukkanu maftuhun. We can say the shop is open. Then we have at-tuffahu.
Lazizun.
At-tuffahu ladidun. Then we have al-ma'u. Al-ma'u means water.
Harun.
Naam. Al-ma'u harun. Al-ma'u harun. The water is hot. Next one, al-hajaru. Al-hajar means stone. Al-hajaru.
Thaqilun.
Al-hajaru thaqilun. The stone is heavy. Next we have al-qalam. Only one option left, right?
Al-qalam
maksurun. The pen is broken. So we have understood. Then in this space we have the new words are given. Al-kalimatul jadida means new words. Hulbun, we know, sweet. Maridun, sick. Ad-dukkanu means shop. Ganiyun, rich. Tawilun, tall. Faqirun, poor. Qasirun, short. At-tuffahu, apple. Next, in this page, we have الحروف القمرية والحروف الشمسية. We call it moon letter and sun letter. الحروف القمرية means moon letters, والحروف الشمسية sun letters. So in Arabic, we have 28 letters, right? So out of this 28, we have 14, we call it huruf al-qamariyya. The next 14, we call it huruf al-shamsiyya. So what is the difference? When we read al-qamaru, this word when we read al-qamaru, so we are reading the this lam, right? We are reading the lam, al-qamaru. We read al-qamaru. The lam we are reading, al-qamaru. When we read ash-shamsu, do I read this lam? No, we are merging. This lam we are merging to shin, right? So there is shadda over shin. We read it ash-shamsu. Ash-shamsu. We don't read al-shamsu. That will be incorrect, right? So we read ash-shamsu, but we read al-qamaru. So this out of 28, the 14 letters we have, if any word having the first letter, this 14, that is huruf al-qamariyya, so we'll read the al. We'll read the al. If it is huruf al-shamsiyya, from huruf al-shamsiyya, we'll not read the al. I mean the lam. So we'll read like ash-shamsu, at-tajiru, al-thawbu, ad-diku, al-dhahabu, al-rajulu, like that. Okay. So we'll read al-huruf al-qamariyya. So first we have hamza, al-abu. Al-abu means the father. Ba, al-bab. Jim, al-jannatu. Ha, al-himaru. Kha, al-khubzu. Al-khubzu means bread. Then huruf al-shamsiyya, we have ta. Ta, at-tajiru. At-tajiru, we know merchant. Tha, al-thawbu. Thawbu means dress or thawb. Dal, ad-diku, rooster. Dal, al-dhahab. Al-dhahab means gold. Ra, al-rajul. Al-rajul means man. Next we have ain. This is huruful. This column is huruful qamariyya. So ain, al-ainu. Al-ainu means one of the meaning is eye. Ghain, al-ghada'u. Al-ghada'u. Al-ghada'u means lunch. Fa, al-famu. Al-famu. Al-famu means mouth. Qaf, al-qamaru. Al-qamaru. Al-qamaru we know, moon. Kaf, al-kalbu. Mim, al-ma'u. Waw, al-waladu. Ha, al-hawa'u. Al-hawa'u means air. Ya, al-yadu. Al-yadu means hand. Then huruf shamsiyya, we have za. Az-zahratu. Az-zahratu means flower. Sin, as-samaku. As-samaku. As-samaku means fish. Shin, ash-shamsu. Ash-shamsu. Sad, as-sadru. As-sadru means chest. Dad, ad-daifu. Ad-daifu. Ad-daifu means guest. Ta, at-talibu. At-talibu means student, we know. Dha, ad-dhahru. Ad-dhuhru. Ad-dhuhru means afternoon or the zuhur prayer. Lam, al-lahmu. Al-lahmu means meat. Noon, an-najmu. An-najmu. So this is all the 14 huruf al-qamariyya, huruf al-shamsiyya. So this column we have huruf al-qamariyya, huruf al-shamsiyya. Enable by, are you there? Okay, so anyone can read huruf al-qamariyya, this one first.
Qamariya. Okay.
Al-huruf al-qamariyya. Al-huruf al-qamariyya.
Al-huruf al-qamariyya. Al-abu. Al-abu.
Noun.
الباب الجنة الخمار الخبز
خبر
الخبز
العين
العين
Noun.
الوداع الفلا الفم
الفم. Noun.
الخبر الكتاب الكلب
الماء
الماء الولد الهواء البيض
Al-yadu. Now, this is
That's
here
right.
al-yadu.
اليد.
Al-yadu means hand. Hand.
Right.
Next.
الطاهر التازر التازر
Okay.
الثوب الثوب
الثوب
الضيق
الضيق
Ad-diku. Ad-diku.
الديك الذهب
الذهب
الرجل الزهر الزهرة
Az-zahratu. Az-zahratu.
السمك الشمس الصدر
Ad-daifu.
الزهر
الطالب الزهر اللحم اللحم
Al-lahmu. Now.
اللحم النجم
An-najm. Okay, so we have learned how to read al-huruf al-qamariyya wal-huruf al-shamsiyya. So the main thing is that as you see, al-huruf al-qamariyya means the lam will read. Our first concern is you have to see there is nothing on the lam, right? So in in huruf al-qamariyya, above the lam you'll see sukun. All of them you'll see sukun. Here should be sukun. Al-abu, we are reading the lam, right? Al-abu, al-bab, al-jannatu, al-himaru, al-khubzu. The lam we are reading. Al-khubzu, al-himaru, al-jannatu, al-babu. But in huruf shamsiyya, we are not reading the lam. Okay. So the following letter had been doubled. We have a shadda. So actually lam is assimilated to the following letter. So if it is ta, ta will be doubled. At-tajir. If it is ta, it will be al-thawbu. Then dal, ad-diku, ad-dhahabu, ar-rajulu, like that. So this is, we don't have to memorize it. Actually, if you keep reading, it will automatically come. You don't have to think. Actually, it will come naturally. Because it's very difficult. If the letter is Shamsiya, and if you want to read lam, it's very difficult. If you read al-tajiru, al-thawbu, al-diku, al-dhahabu, al-rajulu, it's not natural. Can you try reading it like that? Anyone?
التاجر الثوب
Yeah.
الديك
So
الذهب
it's not natural, right?
الذهب
Yeah. So what I wanted to do actually just to see how difficult it is. If you want to read lam here, it's become very difficult. Actually, it's not natural. So we have al-thawb. We don't have al-thawb. Actually, in people in our place, we make many mistakes. Like in my place, there is a hospital. They call it al-salam. It should be as-salam, right? So people read it al-salam. So it's not natural, right? We are not Arab people, so yeah. So is it clear?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah. So this thing you should not be worried. Actually, it
Take
will
one
come
question
naturally.
from my side.
Yes.
What it is called that in the Hurufe Kamari, that zero symbol is there, what it called?
Sukun. Sukun. This zero, right?
In the Arabic.
Yeah.
Okay, so
This
what I
Jazam we are
notice
going
is that in Hurufi Kamari, that symbol is there. So is it that indication that you have to read that lam, but in
yes.
Shamsiya, is it not written?
Yes. So our
Okay,
concern is we want to initially we will read the Arabic books that will have harakat, right? So
Yeah,
all the sukun and shadda things will be there. Okay.
Jazam we are
So
going to.
yeah, or
Jazam.
jazam or sukun. Yeah.
okay. So we need not to memorize the all the 14 letters. So it is the
No.
indication.
No.
Okay, right.
It will come. It will come naturally. Actually, if you keep reading, you will be accustomed to it. You don't have to memorize it.
Okay.
Yeah. It will come inshallah slowly. So next we have tamreen. So here in this tamreen, we have following words. We need to read it correctly. So it's saying, read the following words and write them down, bearing in mind the rule regarding the sun and moon letters that we have learned, right? Al-Huruf Shamsiya, Huruf Al-Qamariya, how to read. So uh, one of them, please read the first line. First line.
Al-Baytu, Ad-Diku,
Ad-Daiku.
Al-Mudarrasu, Al-Babu,
Al-Mudarrisu. This is kasra, right? Al-Mudarrisu.
Al-Babu.
Al-Mudarrisu, Al-Babu, At-Talibu,
Al-Lati.
As-Sukkaru,
السكر
Daftaru.
Okay.
Ad-Daftaru.
Kausar. Yeah. So
Yeah.
Kausar, can you read second line?
Ahaku.
Kausar.
Sir. Ahaku. Ar-Rasulu.
Al-Akhu. This is Al-Akhu.
Al-Akhu. Ar-Rasulu. Al-Wajhu. Al-Wajhu. As-Sadiqu.
As-Sadiqu.
As-Sadiqu. As-Sadiqu.
As-Sadiq.
As-Sadiqu. Al-Qur'anu. As-Salatu. Al-Ka'batu.
Next, anyone else?
رسول
الرؤوس
الرسول
Ar-Ra'su. Ar-Ra'su. This is Hamza, right? Ar-Ra'su. We have to cut the voice. Ar-Ra'su. Now, Ra'su means head. Ra's means head. Next.
Al-Isba.
الإصبع
Isba means
As-Sabu.
finger. This means finger.
As-Sabunu. Was-Zuhru. Al-Fajru. Az-Zuhru. Al-Asru. Al-Maghribu. Al-Isha.
Al-Isha'u.
Al-Isha.
Here few new words are there. Ra'su. Ra'sun means head. Ar-Ra'su, the head. Isba means finger. Sabun means soap. Al-Dhufru means nail. So nail can be nail of finger or nail that we use. This one can be al-dhufru. Then al-fajru, al-dhuhru, al-asru, al-maghrib, al-isha. These are prayer times, we can say. Then in the lesson we have points to remember that you can simply read just explanation. So all these things, rules will be explained. This is optional, you can read. Then vocabulary will be given. So fakirun, poor, qasirun, we have already found it. So few new words we have seen. Hulvun, sweet. Then what else? Ghaniyun, rich. Tawilun, tall. Then Al-waraku, paper. Dukkanu, ad-dukkanu means shop. Maridun, sick. Okay. So this will end the lesson.